Hello! Can you imagine what this is? It is a cassette recorder. This is the Universum CT 2031. This is a really special cassette recorder, and I have bought this on a flea market for about €3. It was damaged. It has damaged by water or whatever, and it was a bit rusty inside, and the belts are completely damaged, so I had replaced this, and after that it is working pretty fine. The special thing on this recorder is that if you are holding it in this direction, like now, and pressing the button on the top, it is in play mode. So at this position it plays back the tape. If I am putting it in this position, it is in record mode. If I am pressing now the button, it is disabled because no cassette is inside, but if I put a cassette inside, it is recording to the tape. So with the position you are controlling the function if it is recording or playing, which is really cool, and yes, it's really rare to have this thing. Here it has a battery compartment like here, and you can put 4 AA batteries in it. Here it has a pause control, which this button you can pause the tape. It is not a mechanical pause, it is electrical pause. If you are pressing the button, it is disconnecting the motor from the power, and so the motor stops running. Here you have a volume control for playback. For record you have no level control. I don't think that this is LC. You have here this cool level meter, which is showing you the level. And yes, that is all. For rewinding and fast forwarding you have this button here. Now it is in rewind mode, stop, and fast forward mode. I'm showing it to you here. Now we have fast forward, so you can see fast forward, rewind, so you can see rewind, yes, fast forward again, working. It has also a tape counter here, and yes, here we have the button for open. This recorder has just one audio head. You cannot see it, but it is a one head system. No erase head, and also no record head. It has a record playback head, or everything at once. And yes, but now we do a short test recording on it, because that is the specialist thing that this recorder can record. So for recording, we putting in the record direction, which is this direction for record. And now I'm pressing, first I reset the tape counter that it is easier to find this position. And now I'm pressing the record play button in this position. So, yes. Now I'm recording on this really special Universum cassette recorder. As you can see here, the VU meter is moving. You can see, hopefully you can see it, but it is moving, and yes, it's working pretty fine. Now let's try the pause. Yes, also working really good. Yes, that's it for this recorder. I also have to say that on the side here we have an output for headphones and an input for an external microphone. This microphone is a microphone, remote controlled microphone you can connect here, which has I think really better quality than this internal microphone. And you also can connect the power supply to this. It stands 8 volts, no, 6 volts. You also can connect the 6 volt power supply to this. So now let's stop our recording. Yes, rewinding it just a bit. So now I'm pressing the playback button for playing back the recording. Remember, in this position we are in play mode, in this position we are in record mode, play mode, record mode, play mode. So press play.
This microphone is the microphone here, remote controlled microphone you can connect here, which has I think really better quality than this internal microphone. And you also can connect the power supply to this.
Yes, the internal loudspeaker is not really high quality. It is an AC BIOS recorder, which is pretty good for this size, and it has good quality. It is just monophonic, but not too bad quality for its size and for its old. I think it's from the 70s. So if you have more information about this recorder, you can post a comment if you want. If you don't want to post a comment, then don't post a comment. Okay, that's it for this recorder, and I can say thanks for watching.